Before you let your dentist drill into your teeth, you should know this. You want to avoid the dental drill anytime you can. And I'm not just talking about the pain, and I'm not talking about the cost that you experience that day. When you drill into a tooth, you significantly increase the risk that you're going to have to do more dental work in that tooth. There's a real cost to having a cavity, and you end up with a tooth death cycle where once you drill into it, you've compromised it, and there's just more risks associated with it. I have a bunch of fillings from when I was a kid, and I had to have them replaced. And when they were replaced with certain materials, those materials didn't play well with my teeth, and sometimes I chew on ice, and so I've ended up with fractures in those teeth. That means I'm going to need more treatment later on, and that's why I really recommend you look for products that can help you treat what causes cavities in your mouth so that you never have to drill more than's necessary, so that you can cure the disease of cavities and not continue to experience the pain. I recommend that you treat the root cause, which is a bacterial infection. You need to change the biofilm. My favorite product for changing your biofilm is Epic Gum. It's loaded with xylitol, and xylitol can help you get rid of the bacteria that cause cavities.